we'll guide you through how to customize your WooCommerce checkout. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to WooCommerce, then click on Settings. Once you're in the settings, look for the Checkout tab and click on it. This is where you can configure various aspects of the checkout process. To customize the checkout fields, you'll need to use a plugin like Checkout Field Editor for WooCommerce, which is widely used and very effective. Go to Plugins, click on Add New, and search for the Checkout Field Editor. Install and activate the plugin. Once activated, go back to the WooCommerce section and you will now see a Checkout Fields option. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page where you can add, edit, or delete fields for billing, shipping, or additional sections. For example, if you want to add a custom field for a phone number, click on Add Field. Choose the type of field you want, in this case, text, and then name it phone number. You can also make it a required field by checking the required box. Don't forget to save your changes. You can also rearrange the fields by simply dragging and dropping them into your desired order. This customization allows for a more tailored checkout experience for your customers, which can improve the overall user experience. Make sure to test the checkout process after making changes to ensure everything is working smoothly. With these steps, you can easily customize your WooCommerce checkout to better fit your store's needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.